If you're looking to start an AI business, AI drop servicing is one of the best options. Drop servicing traditionally meant hiring freelancers and reselling their work. But honestly, this model is completely changed in the last few months. Right now, it is not very sustainable, and honestly, it's much better to resell AI-generated services and sell them for a profit. Seriously, forget all the back and forth emails, missed deadlines, and worrying if someone actually delivers on time. AI today can handle a lot of the work that you would normally outsource, and it's already good enough for clients, and most clients are actually fine with that. Here's the big shift in the last few months. Instead of finding freelancers, you just use AI to create services yourself. Now, it is still called drop servicing because technically you don't actually provide these services, right? You're providing it with AI and you're just giving it over to your clients. Logos, social media posts, blog content, videos, and a lot of other stuff, including websites, can be done with AI. That is only possible as of the last year. You're basically the facilitator, the middleman, but AI does the heavy lifting. Let me explain you why this is such a big deal. In the past, drop servicing worked like this. You find a client, you outsource the work to a freelancer, and then you spend time managing the person, make sure that everything is done on time. Sounds familiar? It's messy, right? Deadlines get missed, communication is often very complicated. Sometimes the work isn't what client even expected. And let's be honest, managing people is not easy. But with AI, you skip the managing people process. You're in control. Yes, you do need to know a little bit about these AI tools and which one to use for what, but a lot of the beginners right now, they can already deliver excellent quality work such as blog posts, emails, ad copy, website content. All of this can now be done with AI easily, simply, and as a beginner. You can even design things like logos, social media graphics, branding materials, even presentations done in minutes. Videos as well. AI can make professional looking videos with voiceovers, animations, captions. Everything can be made automated. Things like social media posts, email sequences, even creatives can be created or refined by AI. And here's the thing, clients don't need perfection. They just need somebody that can make everything look professional. So here's how I would approach drop servicing with AI if I was starting today. Before we go any further, I want to show you something absolutely amazing. It's called QClaw. And what if I told you that you could have an AI agent running tasks on your computer for you 24 hours a day without writing a single line of code? Let me show you what it is and how it works. Take a look at these things that it can do for you right out of the box. If you're trying to build a drop servicing business or any kind of online business with AI, the bottleneck is usually the same. You're still doing too many things manually. Here is what it can do for you if you want to get a lot of views on X, to basically get clients, researching clients, following up on leads, sorting files, monitoring platforms. It never ends. And yeah, ChatGPT is great, but it doesn't actually do things for you. It just talks. What you actually need is an AI agent, something that can actually execute. So not only create the plans, but also post it for you, do it for you, execute it for you. By the way, this video is sponsored by QClaw, and honestly, when they reached out, I said yes pretty fast as soon as I saw what it does. So it's not just about creating the plans, it's also about helping it to execute. Okay, that's a big difference from some of the other AIs. QClaw is an AI agent tool that lets you control computer. So you can give it access to your computer just by sending a message on WhatsApp or Telegram. No new software to learn, no coding, no complicated setups. You download the app, scan a QR code, and you're in 3 minutes and your agent is live. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Tom, there's a million AI tools out there. What makes QClaw different? First, it runs locally on your machine. Your data never goes to the cloud. That matters if you're handling client work. Secondly, it's built an AI security gateway. So it intercepts risky actions in real time before they happen. So obviously, if you give access to it for your computer, connect to your computer and do certain things, you need to have really high security. And third, this part that really got me interested in QClaw, it is built on top of OpenCloud, an open source AI agent framework that gained more GitHub stars in 2 months than React and Linux did in the same period. Those are two of the most used technologies in the world. OpenCloud beat both of them, which is amazing. And like I said, 99% of QClaw's code was written by AI itself. That's amazing. The tool basically almost built itself. So this is the kind of automation that used to cost thousands of dollars to set up, and now it's just a WhatsApp message away. And it basically created a landing page. It's actually created in fully functional website landing pages I can start using. So they're opening up early access spots right now. Early users get solid daily credit allocation, and if you build your own AI agent on the platform, you can get featured on QClaw homepage, which is actually a nice visibility play if you're building in the AI space. The link is going to be in the description. Spots are limited, so check out sooner rather than later. Let's get back to the main video. Pick a niche, something like social media content creation or website design. Start with something that you can manage easily. This is really important, and don't try to go after too many niches. Second, get comfortable with a couple of AI tools for that one niche. Don't overcomplicate it, just pick tools that consistently give you good results. Step 3, set up a simple page where people can book your services. Doesn't need to be anything fancy, just clear, simple, and professional. Step 4, start delivering using AI. Run a few test projects to refine your workflow and see what works best. One thing I like to remind people, you don't need to be an expert at all tools. Just find the ones that can do the job reliably and easily and quickly. And once you get the workflow going, it becomes almost automatic. Now, you might be thinking, why not just hire low-cost freelancers in Asia or Africa like a lot of people do? A lot of agencies, a lot of clients are doing that still to this day. Here's why I think AI is definitely better. Cost. The prices of these freelancers are actually going through the roof. I've been working with people in Philippines and Asia for the last 6 years, and the cost is starting to go higher and higher and higher. The living costs in those countries are going up, so the cost of their services is going up rapidly. AI works 24/7 and produces the outputs instantly, so you're not waiting for somebody to check their email, to reply to you, and things like that. AI can do it quickly. Also, no managing people, no managing communication and stuff like that. You refine it until the client is ready yourself using AI tools. Honestly, managing freelancers is kind of stressful and it's slow. At some point, myself, I had 16 people working full-time in my agency. That's 16 people working full-time. It actually was quite difficult to manage everybody and ensure that they're actually delivering some work and even understand what they're doing and if they're even delivering something of value. With AI, you get a much smoother, faster process. For example, a lot of the good agencies are now using AI to create videos, simple videos for clients. Using AI can be done with minimal human intervention. So the idea, yes, it's usually created by the person, but the implementation can easily be done with AI. Also, when it comes to simple websites, when it comes to e-shops, online shops, you can use Shopify AI, you can use Wix AI, you can use Hostinger AI to create these things, sell it to clients, create it for a few dollars, sell it for $500, $1,000, depending on the client and on the requirements. This is definitely not that difficult to do if you're a complete beginner to web design. Once you get everything down, once you understand how these AI tools actually work, you can then start to improve the quality and start getting more clients. Another thing, don't be afraid to experiment. AI isn't perfect. There are a lot of tools that are actually messed up or not working properly. So sometimes you may even want to combine multiple tools to get better results and better quality. For example, you can use one AI tool for graphics, another design tool for captions, another tool for video editing, and you can also use tools that will combine it all into one piece. That's where this model really shines. Honestly, the old way of managing freelancers feels a lot more complicated once you realize how capable AI already is. You can scale without worrying about how many people you can manage, deadlines you have to chase, or miscommunication that slows you down. Once you have enough people in your team, traditionally in drop servicing, you would need to have a manager managing that team because it was hard. Now with AI, you could work with 10 clients, 20 clients at the same time, provided that it's simple work that can be delivered fairly quickly, and that we're in the lower price and lower quality category. In this category, delivering with AI is absolutely fine. Just focus on delivering consistent, reliable, simple services. You'll be surprised how easy it is to run this drop servicing model with AI. It's clean, simple, and honestly, a lot of fun once you understand the workflow. And of course, AI gets better. There are better tools all the time coming out. And if you want to know more about which tools to use, what kind of niches to try out, you can go and check out my channel for more AI business ideas. I'm going to see you there, and I'm going to see you in the next video.